Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that's perfect for anyone who loves ice, specifically, Nugget Ice. We recently discovered the EUHOMY Nugget Ice Maker, and we've included a link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the EUHOMY Nugget Ice Maker? This countertop machine is designed to produce soft, chewable nugget ice, often referred to as pebble ice. It's a fantastic addition to your kitchen, home bar, office break room, or even for outdoor parties. Unlike traditional cubed ice, nugget ice is airy and softer, making it more enjoyable to chew on without the fear of damaging your teeth. This type of ice also has a unique ability to absorb the flavors of your beverages, enhancing your drinking experience significantly. Let's get into some of the standout features of the EUHOMY Nugget Ice Maker. First and foremost, this machine can produce up to 34 pounds of nugget ice per day. That's an impressive output, ensuring you'll always have enough ice for your drinks, whether it's a summer barbecue, a family gathering, or just a cozy evening at home. Another great feature is its two-way water refill system. You have the flexibility to either manually fill the 3-quart reservoir or connect it directly to a water line for continuous ice production. This is a game changer for those who want to set it and forget it. You won't have to worry about running out of ice during a party, as it can keep the ice flowing with minimal effort on your part. In addition to its functional design, the EUHOMY Nugget Ice Maker also has a self-cleaning feature. This means you can spend less time worrying about maintenance and more time enjoying your drinks. Simply activate the self-cleaning mode, and it will take care of the rest. This is especially beneficial for busy individuals or families who appreciate convenience. As for who this product is suitable for, the EUHOMY Nugget Ice Maker is ideal for a wide range of users. If you're a home entertainer, this machine will elevate your gatherings by providing a steady supply of nugget ice for cocktails and soft drinks. It's also perfect for health-conscious individuals who enjoy making smoothies or blended drinks, as the soft ice can enhance the texture and flavor. Local businesses, such as small cafes or bars, can greatly benefit from this Nugget Ice Maker as well. Having a reliable source of soft, chewable ice can set your drinks apart and create a unique experience for your customers. Additionally, if you're someone who simply enjoys ice-cold beverages at home, this machine will definitely satisfy your needs. Now let's talk about some practical use cases. Picture this: it's a hot summer day, and you're sipping on an iced coffee or a refreshing lemonade. The EUHOMY Nugget Ice Maker can ensure your drink stays cold longer, while also providing that satisfying crunch as you chew on the ice. Hosting a game night? This ice maker can quickly provide enough ice for your drinks while you and your friends enjoy snacks and laughter. It's also great for families with kids, as they can enjoy their favorite smoothies or iced drinks without the worry of sharp edges from traditional ice cubes. In conclusion, the EUHOMY Nugget Ice Maker is a fantastic option for anyone who appreciates the unique characteristics of nugget ice. With its impressive production capabilities, convenient features, and ease of use, it's a product that can enhance your beverage experience in countless ways. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe.